And there we have a beautiful Dutch oven sponge cake. The secret to a true sponge cake is mechanical leavening. No chemicals, just a lot of whisking. To start with, we're going to be doing a lot of mixing with 4 room temperature eggs and a cup of sugar. You may notice a little bit of rain. It's a true outdoor environment. You know when you're almost done, when your arm starts to hurt. And now we're going to add in, the recipe says we're going to drop in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I always measure in with my heart because I really like vanilla. This is the dry ingredients. In this case, we're going to be adding in flour and just a pinch of baking powder, and you want to fold it in gently, so you don't want to drop it in from too high, and you just worked up a good cramp in your arm, so you don't want to defeat the purpose of mixing it so vigorously. So you want to be nice and gentle with a rubber spatula. And you see me holding this up, and that's to kind of dodge the raindrops as they come around. Now we're going to fold in the melted butter, the melted and slightly cooled butter. And then the milk. This is 3 tablespoons of whole milk. And you want to make sure that the butter has cooled from the melting process, so you don't have a problem with it shocking when you pour in the cold milk. And you just want to carefully stir this without deflating what you put all that work into. I'm going to go ahead and gently pour this in. We're going for a 350 degree, so remember the rule of 3 with a 12-inch Dutch oven. That means the 12-inch minus 3 for the bottom. That brings us to 9 coals, and plus 3, 15 for the top. Now, since it is raining and temperature has fluctuated, there is a possibility we might need a little bit more time. So let me check this, and I'm going to do a check. A good sponge cake is kind of like a memory foam mattress. You can gently depress it in the center, and it should spring back. I think we have a memory foam mattress ready. And just like that, in a Dutch oven, I've made the spongiest of sponge cakes outside while it's raining. So I'm going to take a bite. It's a light, moist, spongy cake. Delicious, not too sweet. It's something that's delicate. I did use a very small batch, so it's a little thin. If you're going to do a 12-inch Dutch oven, I recommend doubling the batch. Unfortunately, that means your arm's going to get even more workout unless you happen to have a battery-operated whisk with you out in the field. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you have a suggestion or something you want to see me make, please let me know. This one is in the Sundays with Skillet Field Guide, Volume 1, available on Amazon and Kindle. So check it out. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you at the next campfire.